what do you recommend athletes eat or do for faster recovery?
Number one, they have to make sure they're getting their essentials. So proteins, fats, essential fats like fish, nuts, seeds, good fats like avocado, coconuts, making sure they're getting enough protein. Usually I recommend about 1 gram per pound of body weight. So if they're 180 pounds, I'm usually recommending about 180 grams of protein. And in healthy sources, fish, grass-fed meat, free-range chicken, eggs. So make sure they're getting their macronutrients, and then make sure you're getting their micronutrients. Make sure they're getting all their vitamins, minerals, through antioxidants, lots of fruits and vegetables. Make sure they're getting quality sleep. I'll recommend some supplements that support sleep, like my Relax formula. I'll also recommend some extra vitamin C if their immune system's off. I do recommend some mushroom extracts a lot of times to help boost their immune system. A lot of athletes' immune systems can get taxed because their bodies are working so hard. So I like certain nutrients for the immune system. Mushroom extracts like cordyceps, shiitake, maitake mushrooms. Those are great to boost the immune system. And they provide something called beta-glucans, which helps the immune system communicate better, so you're better able to fight off viruses and bacteria. Nothing thwarts an exercise program like a sinus infection or a fever or a cold, and the body shuts down and the person can't perform what they want to perform. So just keeping their immune system up is really critical as well.
Well, I'm sure that would be really helpful for a lot of athletes.
Super helpful.
Especially during like a training camp.
Exactly.
Oh, man.